Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. Today I'm going to take you guys to New York City. First, we stopped over in Liberty State Park, which is located on Upper New York Bay in Jersey City, opposite both Liberty Island and Ellis Island. Liberty State Park is the only location in New Jersey with ferry service to Ellis Island and Statue of Liberty. You can see the names of those people who lost their lives during the tragedy of 9/11. Their individual names are placed across the 200 feet long replicated World Trade Center towers. The Empty Sky, a 9/11 memorial that pays tribute to the 749 people who worked in New York City and that commuted from New Jersey and lost their lives during this tragedy of 9/11. Liberty State Park offers unparalleled views of Manhattan's skyline, the Statue of Liberty, and Ellis Island as a spectacular backdrop. Now we have to go through the Holland Tunnel, and it's a vehicular tunnel under the Hudson River. This tunnel connecting Lower Manhattan and Jersey City. We usually visit New York City during this holiday season. Unfortunately, this is going to be drive-through because of the pandemic. So enjoy. We are driving close to the Central Park. The Central Park is the largest and the most important public park in Manhattan, New York City. It occupies an area of 843 acres. You can see Apple's flagship store in New York City. This is the building. We are driving through the Fifth Avenue. You can see all the branded designer items, flagship stores here. Lot of holiday decor on both the side of the road. They decorated well during this holiday season. You can see all those, people come and take pictures with them. Now we are going to drive through the Rockefeller Center. Rockefeller Center is the best of New York. The ring, unfortunately, we are not getting down, so you won't be able to see that. And they have the best shopping there, and you can go to the top of the rock. You must visit during this holiday season, but we are missing everything. You can see all this decor. Yes, especially it will be best during the evenings. I will come back again. You can see the tree. Look at that. That is a tree. Wow. This is the Javed Center in New York City. This is where they conduct many indoor programs. Here is the vessel, that extraordinary centerpiece of Hudson Yards. 150 tall sculpture includes 154 interconnected staircase, nearly 2,500 steps. Here you got the Empire State Building, the landmark in New York. You can see Macy's in New York City. This is the world's largest store. Now we are driving towards the Grand Central Terminal. It's getting dark, and now you can see the holiday lightings. Now we are back to the Rockefeller Center. You can see the lightings of that building, and they usually conduct a show during every 15 minutes. Actually, we missed that. You can see people are waiting on both sides of the roads for that show only. Unfortunately, because of the pandemic, we decided not to get down. It's not safe. Now you can see the lighting of Empire State Building, red and green with the candy cane stripes. That's the celebration of Christmas. They change every time based on the holiday season or any other things going around. Here we are at the Times Square, epicenter of New York celebration. Times Square is a major commercial intersection, tourist destination, entertainment center, brightly lit by the numerous billboards and advertisement. You can see the traffic is low now because of the pandemic. This is the first time actually we are just driving through. We usually get down here. We have so much fun, but unfortunately, because of this pandemic, we are missing everything. Now you can see the One World Trade Center, or the Freedom Tower, is the main building of the rebuilt World Trade Center. And this is the tallest building in the United States and sixth tallest in the world.